Hey, good morning. It is pre-market on Wednesday, February 22nd, 2017, and today is the big day for our FOMC coming out at 1 o'clock Central with that interest rate hike announcement. And we can expect to see an interest rate hike in March. If not today. I'm kind of thinking, every meeting's a live meeting, they've been saying. I would not be surprised to see a quarter hike today to kickstart it off. Today or next month, for sure. The numbers have been pretty good coming out of the market. One of the prior um, meetings, they said that they wanted to make sure that the housing market was on track, and it has been reporting some good numbers historically. And we've been getting other good numbers on our CPI and interest rates. A little bit of inflation coming in to show that. Overnight in Europe, we've had some mixed numbers as usual, some good and bad. Um, Hard to get it across the board unless it's all bad. But it's nice to see some flat and good mixed in with that, European numbers. The Swiss franc is selling off ahead of our interest rate announcement from the Fed. So there might be some early calls. We do have another home sales at 9 o'clock. And you can come and look at the history. We had barely a miss, but a good report. These last reports have been pretty darn good. So I would not be surprised if they rate hiked today. So just gird your loins and get ready for some downside activity on the E-mini. I want to look at the bonds first. They've been holding in a sideways range ahead of this interest rate hike. And this is what is so fabulous on trading support resistance. If you can put a higher time frame chart up and then trade a reversal at a support resistance level with a momentum inflection like we had overnight, this move from the bottom of the Keltner band to the top of the Keltner band on one contract, as you can see on the smaller time frame chart, that's what that move is there. Those are my signals that it would have taken if I had been trading it overnight on one contract. And then it gets to its overnight level and comes back in towards the value area. So I think this move, I mean, who knows which direction it's going to go. We've got a ceiling ahead, volatility. It might get up there and come back down. If it even makes it that far, it could turn around on this and head back to the middle. And I bet this middle is where it's going to be at the interest rate announcement. Markets tend to move back to their mean for these type of rate hikes versus the E-mini, on the other hand, which will probably spike up. Let's see if I can get this on the E-mini real quick. And we'll look and I'll show you what I'm expecting it to spike to get the last bit of juice before it just pile drives down and sells off. I have not looked to see what happened overnight. We pulled back to the middle right there, yesterday 50. There's that return to the mean. So here is our double top high made in Globex. Well, not even Globex yesterday, double top high, and we've been pulling back. So you know, whether it gets to this top of this channel or not. But there's going to be some heavy market activity today coming in on this rate announcement for sure. So I would expect this to come back up, clear these stops before it makes its way down. If it does just continue to go down, whoever parked their stops overnight there are going to be some lucky people, because it probably won't get back there forever. So forever is a long time, right? Never say never, but you can see the momentum coming off of this right now. Of course, it'll change once the open comes. It's just not even 6 a.m. It's 5:52 a.m. So very slow market activity. But I have my NinjaTrader console set up to automatically take my trades now in Blackbird. So I don't even need charts if I don't want charts. All I have to do is enable I see a contract that I want to trade. So the 6E's been selling off. So I can open my 6E, edit the strategy, and select the template settings for a right here, sorry. You can also set the instrument settings that you want as far as your RTH session or your Globex session, but this will pull up your panel and you can set whatever, if you just want shorts, because it's moving shorts, just set it for short, save and close. So you're ready to take your trades. You can set your bar size that you want. You can load your number of days. This will affect the signals, so make sure that you are aware of this when you run a strategy. The days that you load for the strategy to review will affect how many days that signal is getting in. So you might have to, make sure that you understand that. So you're ready to go. All you have to do is enable it when you want the strategy to turn on. You just click that and it will start taking trades, and you don't even need the chart up. So here we can practically go chart free pretty soon, and that's really what I'm going to get to. I'm still at the place where I want to look at the chart and just review, the context, see if I'm near a support resistance level, see if I want to trade to a target, and I can adjust my Blackbird to take a trade off at a target, anything that I choose, whether that is a yesterday close, value area, if I have that indicator, a Keltner channel, volatility band, whatever I want that target to be, a pivot point. I can trade to a target that way, or I can trade to a set number of ticks. So there's a lot more flexibility with Blackbird. And you can set those templates up very easily and save that template so that you can engage the market when it's time to engage the market. It's not time to engage the market right now. The market is still asleep, but you can get your charts ready and your platform ready to start trading in the morning ahead of time. And like I said, on that, overnight trade for the bonds, you never know when that 100 tick move is going to come in. I mean, it's just unbelievable. See, my got another signal on that as it's double testing that high. So this is Julie, J Auto Trading Strategies, trying to formulate the best method using my favorite products, NinjaTrader and Bloodhound. Hope y'all have a blessed day, and save some powder for tomorrow, because coming in after an FOMC meeting is often a better day to trade than trying to trade that report. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Oh, and I need to show you, sorry, the disclaimer. Thank you so much. I hope y'all read this, understand that there's no faster way to lose money than trading.